Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question 9 part AE of the 047822 February-March 2024 past paper. The question is, a storage unit rental company wants to set up a new database table for the storage units that can be rented. The table is called storage units and needs to store these details. A size meters, size in square meters. A position, first, second, or third floor. A hoist, whether there is a hoist available for the transfer of items. A price month, the price in dollars for a month's rental. A storage ID, the code to identify each storage unit, for example, S123. We need to find out two things for this part of question. Number 1, give the name of the field that would be used for the primary key. And number 2, state the reason for choosing this field for the primary key. To solve this question, let's understand, what is a primary key? A primary key is a field in a database table that uniquely identifies each record or row in that table. Primary key will have two characteristics. Number 1, it must contain a unique value for each record. Number 2, it cannot be empty to null. Now we can easily identify the field which will be used as primary key of table storage units, and it is storage ID, because it will uniquely identify each of the record in the table, and definitely will not have any empty or null value. Great! We have answered the question. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for other questions in this paper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.